Hello good people. Today, we are going to cover 5 best folding desks for small spaces in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is the SAIJI Foldable Laptop Stand. Whether you're lounging at home or on the go, the SAIJI Lap Desk makes working that much more comfortable with its ergonomic features and stylish design. The desk also features a foldable bookstand, a storage drawer ideal for your mobile device, and a non-slip textured design to keep your laptop in place. It's also height adjustable and features 2 auto-lock buttons on each side to seamlessly switch between 5 different height levels to find your ideal viewing angle. You can also use it as a cost-effective way to turn your current sit-down desk into a standing one. Simply stow it under your couch or in a closet when you're done using it for the day. The latch on the left side of the desk that locks the tray tilt also blocks the drawer from opening, reviews note. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cubiker Small Home Office Laptop Work Desk. This folding desk will give you everything you need without emptying your wallet. Although you won't get extra features, you will get a well-built, sturdy desk that's easy to set up and store when not in use. The desk also comes in 4 color options, including black, brown, and white. Plus, it takes less than 5 minutes to assemble. All you need to do is open the frame and plop the tabletop on top. Because of its weight and transportability, this desk is a great option for college students who are hopping from one on-campus living situation to another, or for transient working post-grads. However, if you're worried that the tabletop will fall off the frame, or want to use this desk in your permanent workspace, you might need to attach Velcro strips or something to secure the tabletop to the frame. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sleekform Folding Desk. Assembling furniture can be complicated, but you won't have to worry about that with Sleekform's no-assembly folding desk. As the best folding desk overall, this model is durable, lightweight, and easy to put together in any room. Plus, the black metal hairpin-style legs of this folding desk also come with special rubber caps to keep your floors scratch-free while moving it around. The wood table is finished with a 3-coat water and scratch-resistant material, so you don't have to worry about leaving watermarks like other wood-topped desks. The desk measures around 47.2 inches by 23.6 inches by 30 inches of 100% real fir wood, and weighs only 24 pounds, which makes it easy to transport. Don't let its lightness fool you, this desk can hold up to 110 pounds. This model is also large enough to accommodate a second person if you want to set up a simple co-working space. A chemical smell lingers when taking the desk out of the box, but it dissipates and disappears in a few hours. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Tankula Folding Computer Desk. Whether you're a writer by profession or someone who just enjoys sitting down to journal every now and again, you can't go wrong with Tankula, the best folding desk for writers. This desk comes with 3 storage drawers, perfect for keeping all your writing tools nearby in case inspiration strikes. The desk folds in a way that allows you to use it as a nightstand or side table when you're done writing for the day. The multifunctional feature is a huge plus if you like your furniture to serve several purposes, which ultimately helps save on space. Plus, it's on wheels, which means you can push it to a new location to get a change of scenery in your own home. Reviews note that this desk takes time to assemble. Some estimates. It took them between 1 to 2 hours to put it together. However, you get an incredibly convenient desk once it's built. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Haotian Folding Wall-Mounted Drop Leaf Table Desk. If you're looking to hold on to every inch of space you possibly can, the Haotian Folding Desk is a good choice. Since it mounts to the wall, you don't have to worry about taking up too much room on the ground, and there's the added bonus of having multiple shelves to keep your work tools neat and organized. At 28 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which means you should ensure you hang it properly and securely, or else it will end up on the floor. Instead of folding up, which would hide the shelves, it folds down to moonlight as a piece of decor. The desk has a 44-pound load limit, so don't overload it with monitors or heavy decorative knickknacks. Assembly is required, and it takes around 1 to 2 hours to build, per shared user experience. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.